I like to take off the tight neck. So this is upper back. From I go straight to my hand, touch the opposite from shiatsu pressure. This is up, my hand up to bring up to stretch, neck stretch. Repeat 3 times. So this is I'm side of the spine from shoulder blade area and bring up to base of neck. So I use here rest and hook to the jaw. One, two, three. It's a very good feeling when you have neck trouble. So this is the center. So put on, then stretch, then turn this way, and 1, 2, 3. So this is the tight neck, shiatsu. This all hairline is the point, and special behind the ear. This bone is good pressure, so she can go sleep tonight. And from top of the upper shoulder to neck, back of neck. And now turn this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's firm but gentle. All of this hairline is safe to press. Just careful side of neck, gland, and but if you find the tightness, stop and press. The 1 touch, 2 touch, and every time you come back, it's already loose. All right. 1, 2, 3. This is good for a little child too. Cannot go sleep, and very gentle. The manipulate the behind the ear and the back of neck. The easy to go back to sleep. All right. So now I do more stretch. Hook the chin. 1, 2, 3. and the side, 1, 2, 3, and another side, 1, 2, 3, and bring up to the up, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, stretch. So this is good feeding, and also this muscle tight, just a gentle. Okay, this is the one upper shoulder from front. And now, if I like to use a vibrate machine on the arm is when you do shiatsu. Number 1 point is that this large artery. So this is a press. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And so that if you like to use a machine for the arm, slow speed to start it. And gradually up high on the top of the arm. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is it. Okay, then down to and a little bit upper this trapeze muscle. Okay, this is the way upper shoulder shiatsu finish.